Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the OnePlus watch. Now you can pick this one up from OnePlus.com starting April 14th. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at $160. Now it comes in 3 different colors. You got Midnight Black, Moonlight Silver, and Cobalt. Now Cobalt is the one that I will be buying. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. For the display, you got a 1.39-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 454 by 454. Now that's 326 for the PPI Patrol. The watch is IP68, dust and water resistant, up to 5 ATMs. Now the watch size is 46 millimeters. Alright, so this is a big boy. Now the case is made out of stainless steel, and the band is made out of fluoroelastomer. Now what does that mean? I don't know. You got Bluetooth 5.0. You got 4 gigs of storage. You got a 402 milliamp battery that OnePlus claims is going to last you for 14 days. All right. Now you also got quick charge, 20 minutes of charge, should last you a full day. Now for the sensors, you got an accelerometer, you got gyroscope, you got optical heart rate, blood O2, you got an ambient light sensor, air processor, and GPS. Now you're going to need to be running an Android phone that's running Android 6.0 or higher. Now some of the features include a speaker, you got a microphone so you can make calls, you can send text messages, you can store music directly onto the watch, 4 gigs of storage, you got a sleep tracker, you got Zen mode, and you also got parkour mode. Now look, I know a lot of y'all think I'm a fat ass, but this summer I'm going to be doing parkour. All right, I'm hopping out the bed, jumping over the gate, sliding under the park bench, run to the Chinese restaurant, hop over the counter, grab 4 chicken wings and french fries, keeping it moving. All right, parkour mode. Stay tuned for that. All right, so all of that for $160. Let's unbox this and see what it is. Now, on a side note, the software is not fully optimized, so I can only do an unboxing. I'll wait till the 14th and hit y'all with the full review. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes.
White shoes.
Calm down. All right, right on that neck. All right, here we go. All right, shoe scoop. OnePlus watch. Now this one is Midnight Black. Let's just make sure. Midnight Black, input 5 volts, 1 amps. Okay, we've seen all of that. All right, no unboxing knife necessary. Got a little pull tab. Okay, now the pull tab just trolled me. So in that case, I gotta take it to the big boy. Let me grab my unboxing knife. Now here we go. Rah! I know, man, unnecessary, but that's for dramatic effect. Why not? Okay, here we go. Okay, anger levels increasing. Now, let me calm down. Here it is. Okay, this is the OnePlus watch. Now, as far as the presentation, red and white box. All right, typical OnePlus fashion. I like that. Let's see. Okay, so inside. Now, this is going to be your OnePlus watch. Let's see what else you get. Okay, little pull tab right here. Now, OnePlus is known for having great presentations, and this is one of them. Okay, accessories. Now, of course, you got all your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And this is going to be your charger. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so you got a magnetic charger. So you got your 2 pins. This is going to be USB-A to magnetic charger. Let's go ahead and peel this off real quick. Let's see how this charger looks. Okay, so the back of the watch, this is going to be all your sensors. All right, shoes. And it slaps right on the charger just like that. Magnetized. Now, for the watch itself, shoes, I'm about to file you to the side in T-minus 5 seconds, okay? 46 millimeters. All right, this is a big boy right here. I'm going to do a little size comparison in a minute. Here's your fluoroelastomer band. Now, it's kind of like silicone-ish material. Let's see. Kind of has that iPhone-ish kind of strap to it. So you're just going to put this in, lock it into place, tuck in the band, and there it is. Okay, so real quick, let's do a little size comparison with some of the other heavyweights that's out. Let's move this to the side. Okay, first up we got the Moto 360. Okay, all right, shoes. Moto 360. Now the OnePlus watch is a lot bigger. Okay, now I'm actually feeling this big watch face. Let me go ahead and slap this on the wrist real quick. Now, of course, I'm rocking the Nubia watch. I just rock this watch for fashion because it's pretty much trash as a smartwatch, but it looks nice. Looks nice. Okay, let's see how this slaps on. Okay, just like that. Okay, a little drop test. Okay, IP68. Just like that. Tuck in the bottom. And there it is. Now let me get a little wipe down. Bang, look how big that face is. Yo, why my voice just went mad high. Look how big that is. I like this though. All right, big giant watch face. Let's see the buttons real quick. Now on one side, you do have a power button. Looks like your menu button. Let's see if we got any juice on this one. Okay, there it is. Boot up animation. Now, if you look closely, it does say OnePlus on the button, and it has a little texture to it. That's pretty cool. Now, of course, you can use that texture to differentiate the buttons, but there's only 2 buttons. So you'll get used to it. Big, nice, clean watch face. Okay, I'll set that up later. Matter of fact, let's select English. Matter of fact, I'll do that later. Let me stop. I'll do that later. All right, so quick size comparison. Here's a Moto 360. Now, the 360, this one is kind of thick. That's one thing I don't like about it. It's a little bit too thick. The OnePlus watch feels a lot more lightweight and a little bit thinner. All right, I like that. Next up, we got your classic Apple Watch. Okay, now, when it comes to smartwatches, some people prefer the square. Some people like the circle. I could go either way. I could go either way. About the same thickness. Maybe the OnePlus watch is a little bit thicker, but look at the difference in the watch face. Like the OnePlus watch, a lot bigger. Next up, we got the Galaxy Watch 3. Now let's see. I'm kind of curious on the size on this one. It actually looks like the OnePlus face is a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe the same thickness, but I'm feeling this big watch face, definitely. Next up, we got the, let's keep it Samsung. We got the Samsung S3, all right, the Gear S3 watch. Okay, now all these Samsung watches pretty much look alike. Rotating bezel, that's one of the things I like about the Samsung watches. But the best thing about the OnePlus watch is, hold up, let me do the smell test. Yeah, I knew it. Smells like savings, all right? Look at the price for the Apple Watch and look at the price for the Gear 3, for the watch, Samsung Watch 3. Look at the price comparison to the OnePlus watch. This one has the sweet smell of savings, okay? Now we got a Galaxy Watch. About the same size. Our shoes is back. Let's hurry up and wrap this up. All right, now we got a smaller Samsung watch. We got the Active 2. Okay, OnePlus watch. Face is definitely bigger. And of course, we got the Red Magic watch. All right, this is the Red Magic watch. Now these kind of have the same feel to it, but the OnePlus watch definitely has more features than the Red Magic watch. All right, so $160 on this one. This seems like a great deal. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all want me to cover when I do the full review. But of course, I'm going to show y'all all of the watch faces. We're going to make some test phone calls. We'll download some music to it. We'll see how that works. We tried all of the different apps. We'll try the sleep tracker. We'll try the blood O2 sensor. And like I said, I'm going to do a little parkour. All right, parkour, fat ass version. And we're going to keep it moving. But overall, first impressions for $160, this seems like a go. All right, if you like big watch faces, look at that. You're going to like this big giant watch face. This floral elastomer band, I like it. All right, I like it. Has a silicone-ish kind of feel to it. No complaints. Real nice, though. Real nice. All right, so anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm doing a full review April 14th. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and pitch and be rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.